guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about something that confuses a lot of people: the difference between baking and setting your makeup. They are both powder techniques, but they work very differently and are used for different reasons. So if you've ever wondered why your concealer still creases, or you want that flawless under eye, then keep watching. I'm going to go do my foundation off camera and then come back to show you how to set and how to bake your makeup. Okay, I'm done with applying my foundation, my blush and all of that. So let's get into setting. Setting your powder involves applying a small amount of loose powder to lock in your cream or liquid product in place. It prevents it from moving around and it gives you a smoother finish. You can use a fluffy brush, a damp sponge, or even a powder puff. The goal is to use just enough to keep things from looking cakey or creasing. Setting, setting. Now let's talk about baking. Baking involves applying a generous amount of loose powder to areas where you want extra staying power or brightness, like under the eyes, under your contour. Bake. You let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. The warmth from your skin helps melt the powder, soak up excess oil and it locks everything in. Once time is up, you sweep it off with a brush. Here's a side by side of setting versus baking. On the left side, I just set my concealer and look how lightweight it looks. And on the right side, I just baked and notice how much brighter and matte it is under the eyes. So which should you go for? Honestly, it depends on your skin type, your routine and the look you're going for. Personally, I like to set for a quick everyday makeup look, and I like to bake when I want my face to last all through the day. So I hope this video helped you understand the difference between setting and baking your makeup. Let me know in the comment section which you prefer the most. And also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also turn on your post notification to let you know whenever I post a new video. Bye guys.